Weather alert. Weather alert. Let's go! Here we go!
Information. The following tones will conclude this test from the Washington State Emergency Operations Center.
X is 27% and Hunt's 19%. Poll shows that 26% remain undecided. Now, I have seen other polls that shows Paxton having a bigger lead over Corning. Yeah. But I found it fascinating that Hunt had 19%.
That's really good. Well, you and I have seen his audio cuts before. I haven't seen a lot recently from him, though. From the State of Idaho Emergency Alert System. In the event of an emergency, this system would bring you important information. This test was conducted from the Idaho State Communications Center in Meridian, Idaho, and is now concluded.
Everyone I've ever read said there's more colors of color.
Oh shit, I got it. KLIX. Nice. Oh, I got it. Alright. That was 90.3, 670, and 1310. Next up, San Francisco. There we go.
When nobody's on the field. You get no high fives, you get no knuckles, you get no hugs. I mean, come on. And then you wonder why, when it's time to fire you, it's a team's call. All right, 52 minutes after the hour, that's your polls of plenty for the day.
KTOB's going off.
The Rams aren't going to have to play a game like that in the playoffs. make the argument that people usually age out of crime. The latest entries in the blotter are showing that that's not really the case.
No, these are complete and total losers who have turned it into a profession.
If you're getting put away in your 40s, are you really going to change your ways?
No, you're not. You're like a dog with rabies.
What are you advocating for?
Well, have you seen Old Yeller?
Wait for 680 and 10. I'll get the TV stations up in just a second. 680's going off.
This is a regularly scheduled monthly test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test.
I don't know why you guys didn't go up yet. Oh, they just went off. Went off already. I'm gonna wait for you guys, along with the TV stations. 15 minutes.
This is a regularly scheduled monthly test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test.
To kill solar, the 30% federal income.
Alright, that's it out of the AM stations there.
President Trump prepping for a big speech on the economy today in battleground Pennsylvania, as voters signal they're not happy with the issues central to his election in a series of polls. Most recently, Gallup, showing just 36% of the...
To kill Ratanapakdi.
Preliminary hearings.
other burglaries in the area.
I think it's like super safe. There is a lot.
Now realize just how much.
Request denied. Claim denied.
What if insurance, doctors, pharmacies came together?
CoRents.com.
For healthcare. Kaiser Permanente.
This is a test of the emergency alert system.
The DVU's gone off.
This is a regularly scheduled monthly test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test.
Assuming...
Power.
That's Holiday Pro Power onboard.
It's like a close compromised accounts, and even procure legal support, far beyond the capabilities of your bank or credit card.
Come on. Check the halls, am I right?
Holiday special.
You guys went off a bit early. KPYX. Yoke.
57 in South San Francisco. Some spots getting some...
We look at their resume, you can't believe how many characters they've done, but they have total anonymity. They can...
My godbrother to school, and yeah.
You get a ticket?
I did. But I got it.
There it is. There they go.
This is a test of the emergency alert system, originated by the Arizona Department of Public Safety. If this had been an actual emergency, important information or instructions would have followed the tones you just heard. This concludes this test.
so that's about as far as I'm going.
This is the National Weather Service Office in Missoula. The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station West XL25's public warning system. During potentially adverse situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available date. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you're using a good quality receiver in good working order. The most consistent warning system is possible. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Missoula, Lake and River Valley. This has been a test of the NOAA weather radio warning device. We now return to normal programming. Pass, Idaho. Light.
And draw.
Cello 42. More showers and windy on Thursday with a
Pop back up again someplace else, like keys or wallets, money. They put them on a table and then they look and it's gone and it's on a different table.
That's mostly a phenomenon that we call apportation, and these are apports, and you will find in the specialist literature.
Just barely got KUMA.
Several decades.
More at ibms.bu.edu.
New Year's observances in the U.S. Look forward to that. Professor, thank you. Oh, thank you so much. This was fun. And Happy New Year. So that's it. Last show of 2025. Thanks to the mighty Here and Now staff for all their work this past year. Thanks to you for listening. Let's see what the new year brings. Here and Now. I'm Robin Young. Happy New Year. Why? And what to do next time here and Now.
Otra Institute at Boston University, hosting the Is Business Broken podcast, featuring
Yellowstone Public Radio is KEMC Billings 91.7 FM. Alright. That's it for December. Happy New Year, everyone.